everyone, a very colorful and simple nail design. It really didn't took much time to do. I really hope you guys like it. So after I apply one layer of each color and I cure, I apply a second coat and immediately the drops. I wait a couple of seconds and I cured, and because the layer with the drops it's a little bit thicker, I cure for a longer time. I did the same thing for the other nails. After curing, I take some acrylic paint and I outline the smile line. I'm never perfect with this, but I find it a lot easier to begin from the middle of the nail and drag the brush towards the skin. I finish the design with some dots, and yeah, I wait for the acrylic paint to dry completely. I add a layer of gel top coat and I cured, and that's it. I really hope you like this nail design. It's very simple, like really it's very simple. Nowadays I feel like the simple nail designs are like the best. I don't know, I think everyone's looking for really simple nail designs, really fast to do. So I'm really concentrating myself to do this type of nail design, and of course I'm doing them because I don't have time to spend a lot of time doing my nails. So yeah, I really hope you guys like it, and take care. Bye.